Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is the most requested video so far. I receive a lot of questions about my hair and as well as a lot of compliments. So thank you for your compliments and about your questions. I'm going to answer all of them in today's video. I'm going to share my hair care routine along with all of the products that I use for my hair. And apart from the products, there are a lot of other things as well which I do to maintain my hair. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And before I start with the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on because I upload 2 videos every week along with some YouTube shorts. So make sure your notifications are on, and now let's dive right into the video. More than anything, your diet is the most important. So I like to consume flax seeds and almonds on a daily basis. The first step is to apply hair oil. I like to apply it one night before I wash my hair. Just give yourself a nice massage to activate those blood vessels. Just before washing my hair, I like to go with this hair mask from Mama Earth. I apply it on my scalp and just give myself a nice massage again. It really helps keeping my hair very soft and smooth and gives me the perfect amount of moisture my hair needs. Once a month, I like to take steam on my hair as well, just like a hair spa at home, but don't go more than once a month because it will damage your hair otherwise. Make sure that your entire hair is wet, or just apply the same mask on your lengths as well so that it doesn't damage your hair. And this steam really works in hair growth and also keeping your hair anti-frizz and very soft and smooth. After the hair gets cooled down, I just shampoo my hair with anti-dandruff shampoo or a normal one depending on my requirement, and also use the conditioner. After washing, I just wrap my hair in this hair towel. It's very convenient. If you don't have one, you can even use a cotton t-shirt, but don't use a normal towel. It really damages your hair. After approximately 10 minutes, I like to go with this hair thickening spray from Forest Essential. It's also really good for hair growth and just keeps your hair very soft. On to the last step, I like to use this hair serum from Streax because my hair is very dry and frizzy. This really helps in keeping the frizz down and also keeps my hair very shiny and very smooth and soft. And I let it just air dry and no external heat. This is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you found it helpful. Do make sure to comment your feedback in the comment section below and do come back for more videos.